Stopping spam calls on your iPhone can be frustrating, but these hacks can help reduce the number of unwanted calls you receive. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the Settings app on your mobile device and simply scroll down and tap on the phone option available there. And now inside the phone, tap on the Silence Unknown Callers and make sure to toggle on Silence Unknown Callers. This will silence calls from unknown numbers, but they will still appear in your recent calls list and can leave voicemails. But it will automatically send call from number not in your contact. Recent calls are silly suggestion directly to voicemail. So now the other one is go back to the settings iPhone again and tap on the call blocking and identification. Here if you see the silence the junk callers option available, then simply toggle it on. I don't have this option available due to the reason option. So if you have it, then toggle it on. Now go back again and go to the Safari. Then in there go to the search address bar and search for the Do Not Call Registry and tap on it. The Do Not Call Registry is a free service provided by the government in many countries that allows individuals to opt out of receiving telemarketing calls. Adding your phone number to this registry can significantly reduce the number of unsolicited calls you receive from legitimate telemarketers. Then simply go to the App Store and download and install a reputable call blocker or spam blocker app from your App Store. Follow the in-app instructions to set it up and grant necessary permissions. Apps like Hia, RoboKiller or Truecaller can identify and block spam calls based on community reported data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.